Hi, thank you so much for joining Gems and Jewels. Today I'm going to show you how I made this Chanel little centerpiece. Relatively easy. Let's get started. Thank you so much for watching this station. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and see what I have to offer. Thank you so much. Everything is in the description box as far as supplies. So here's a couple candles that I used. I used 2 black, 2 white of the bigger candles. You want to type in Chanel logo, find one that you like, print it off, cut it out how you want it. Let's start with the black ones. So I went with the black one and the white Chanel logo. The one on the left is already glued on. So the hot glue is going to pretty much melt candle, and you don't want to do that. So all I did was I used the Gorilla Glue after the logo was cut out, and don't use too much. I didn't have much in the bottle, so it probably looks as though I used a bunch, but I really didn't. I did it pretty lightly. Otherwise, if it bleeds through, it doesn't look that great. Make sure you get your edges so then it looks as though the candle came that way. I've seen them to where I tried doing it previous, where you use the tissue paper and the wax paper and a blow dryer, but when you use the tissue paper, you tape it onto a piece of paper, run it through your computer, and for me, it broke my printer. Like, it got all tangled in there, and it was taped. I don't know how that happened, but it broke my printer, and I don't know, a $10 candle is really not worth a $100 printer, so I like this better. And like I said, if you get your edges and they're flat, it will look as though the candle came that way, so you don't have to go through the blow drying and the, you know, tissue paper and all the wax paper and all that stuff. Your preference, but I'm not going to go through another printer. So the white ones, I chose to use different logos, just repeated the same steps. This is what they look like when they were finished. And then these are Dollar Tree bowls, the larger ones. For this project, I used 6. And all I did was put the bowl upside down, and then I put another bowl on top of it. I used some Gorilla Glue, some hot glue, and just adhered it to it. And then I just held on to it for a few seconds. And there's your base. And then I used a styrofoam ball and then hot glue the black and white roses. I repeated this 3 times. Shoes that you see are actual Christmas decorations that I got at Hobby Lobby last Christmas. I just cut the strings off of them. I threw down a couple of the Menards 12 by 12 tiles, and here you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.